Welcome back. This is our train expert channel. This is the last time today. We're just getting ready. Then we're done for the day after we got 7 OC&T trains, and all of which is in Titusville today. So just a one spot only. So, but nonetheless, we're going to close out for today. I got to thank the Drakewell and Perry Street for getting the 2 freight trains on there as well. And then I got to thank the Quality Inn for getting not 1, but 2 light power trains and 3 grain hopper trains to close out. And then the rain just popped in right at the closing moments of the Train Expert channel. We're just getting ready to start getting off here because it's gone 1:30. Oh, there's a red light. So we're going to remind everyone here, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. We just reached the triple-digit subscribers on the Train Expert channel over the weekend. I think we have 104 is what it is, subscribers on there. And we have 17, we might getting close to 1,800 videos of trainless and train videos to enjoy. Trains galore, Jeffrey the Train Experts, check it out. Also to subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page. We got over 600 videos on there, and we got 31 subscribers. There's a WM. We have a WM garbage truck. We've seen 1 WM today as we're looking for the passenger, or excuse me, the OC&T train. While we're over at East Titusville. And then we just have and then there's a WM garbage truck over there at Sheets here in town. So, but nonetheless, subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page. We got 600 videos to enjoy. All galore at Jeffrey's regular channel page. Check it out. I already told if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube as well. Yeah, so the 7 trains we got was 2 freight trains, 3 light powers. It's 3 grain hoppers, 3 light power. No, wait. Yeah, there's 7. There's got to be 3 grain hoppers, 3 light powers, and 2 freight trains was all we got today. So, there goes the mud. So, all right, we're heading towards the house. We're heading home right now. So this is probably going to be it for today. For Jeffrey's regular channel page, or make it Jeffrey the Train Expert. It is on YouTube. I said the regular channels by mistake because I haven't been on this since Saturday. So I'll have the correction this time. So, all right, this is probably going to be it for today. For Jeffrey the Train Experts with Elaine on YouTube. Thanks for watching Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Make sure, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube, as well as Jeffrey's regular channel page. And don't forget, I have a premiere at 7:30 tonight. It's an Operation Weather for a wind advisory for portions of Ohio and for Erie and Crawford counties. I thought it was potential for Ohio and Pennsylvania, but no, that's the special weather statement. I did that this past weekend. So we're gonna get off, and we'll be back on Thursday for more train videos. I'll let you know by Thursday. We'll get an update about whether or not we're getting trains on Friday or not, because it's supposed to call for 5 to 8 inches of snow. It's also supposed to call for snow too Thursday night, so after midnight Thursday. So I'll get you an update about on Thursday, so we know if we're gonna do any train videos or not Friday. So all right, we're gonna get off. I gotta get home, and she's gotta get off, and we'll get back on. Talk to you later.